This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shakearah Rolle. Lovely 3-story 2.5 with a garage. Steps away from downtown Lake Worth Beach, Golf Club, Intracoastal Park, Boat Ramp, and Publix. The townhouse was built in 2007 and is ready to move right in. Granite countertops, ultra-white ceramic tile throughout, 2019 Carrier air conditioner/heat unit, Nest thermostat and doorbell, security digital lockbox for packages. Only thing that is missing is your personal touches to be perfect. Close to all major highways, restaurants, movie theater, schools, colleges and shopping. For more information, review the details below.